Bhagwan and Ravan. Both of them had a battle, and Shreeram Bhagwan won the battle and Ravan lost the battle. Ravan said, I lost the battle and I have everything. I have soldiers, I have money, I have a big army. But still, I lost the battle and you won only for one reason. Because my brother is against me and yours is supporting you. That's why you should always support each other. Family should always support each other. If families together, we can face anything in life and stay happily. As a family, as a community, we can build a new beautiful world. Even if we're different colors, different size, we should still support each other and make a new world. And also, even if we're not family, we should still help each other and support each other so then we can make a new world. If families together, nothing bad will happen at all to us because we will take care of each other. And families, they can also help you do something new in your life, what you always wanted to do. And you never got to do it, but your family can help you get to do it. Each of us have something inside so we can change the world into a better place. Stay together, stay happy. Thank you for watching Saanvi's World, and if you have any comments, please post them.